Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is DT DailyTech, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your MOTO G STYLUS 5G 2023. This is a nice phone, and if you find yourself locked out of your phone and you want to reset it, this is the instructions on how to do it. Now first, make sure that the phone is powered off. The two buttons that is most important in this video, it will be the volume down and the power button. Locate both, press and hold both keys. Once the phone turns on, remove your finger off of both buttons. Once you see this screen, scroll down to recovery mode. To select it, you have to press the power button. It will take you to the next step. Once you see this upcoming screen, you're gonna have to do something different, which again, press and hold the power button, and then tap the volume up. And then remove your finger off of both. Scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Press the power button to select it. To confirm it, data factory reset, press the power button to select it again. And now after this, you will have the option to reboot the phone or power it off. Now if you reboot the phone, it will be back to the factory settings. If you had your Gmail, you would have to confirm before you enter it again. But this is the instructions on how to get it done, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.